Hello, welcome back to Mark's Garden UK. These are my bamboos, and this down here is my bamboo barrier. And if you watched my video last summer where I installed that bamboo barrier, you'll know that I dug a trench which is about 18 inches deep, and the barrier runs all the way around the outside of that trench. And the reason I put bamboo barrier down is because bamboos are well known to be quite invasive. Now, some of them run under the ground and they pop up all over different areas of your garden where you don't want them, and once they've started to run, it's very difficult to stop them. Some of them are clump forming and don't spread under the ground, but these are those invasive types, which is why I put the bamboo barrier down. Now, when I put it down, it was going through my mind, is this actually the case? I was a little bit skeptical. Is it necessary? Do the bamboos run? Well, today I'm going to show you that they very definitely do run, and the consequences that you might fall victim to if you don't put bamboo barrier down. So my bamboo barrier goes around some golden bamboos just out of shot down here to my right, and then there's another 2 golden bamboos here, and then I've got 8 small green bamboos. I was actually a little bit concerned about these green bamboos over the winter. They're in quite an exposed position, and some of them were looking a little bit worse for wear. Anyway, I didn't need to worry, because I'm going to show you now in close-up exactly what's happening at ground level right next to this bamboo barrier. Just look here, right next to the bamboo barrier, right there. If I push the leaves of this bamboo back, look, can you see there, right next to my index finger, the bamboo has come underground, hit the barrier and then shot up vertically. Now, had that barrier not been there, that bamboo would have carried on, and it probably will carry on around the edge and spring up elsewhere, but that's what happens, and that's why you need the bamboo barrier. I've got some more examples to show you on the other side. And so here are the green bamboos that I was worried about, and they did nothing. I thought they were dead actually, and then almost overnight, unseen to the human eye, they suddenly sprouted these green stalks. There are 3 here, brand new, faster than asparagus. Can you see how tall they are? And what's fascinating is the anatomy of them. They seem to kind of grow up out of the ground with these little sort of papery sheaths on them, and then they peel off, and out from underneath those sheaths come another stalk with a leaf on it, so that will bush out. And I can tell you that this process of growth and invasiveness is repeated all the way along this hedge. I'm going to show you a couple more in more detail. Now, happily, the wind is quite blowy today, which helps to reveal these new ones. Can you see here? This is a new one, and this is a new one. The old ones, being slightly taller, are pushed back out of the way by the wind. But look here, look. There's another new one. There's another new one. In there, another. And here, another. And all the way along. Even underneath the ones that I felt were failing a little bit, we have new growth popping up out of the ground. And I'm going to show you the other side of this hedge in a minute, because that's where the bamboo barrier is working to great effect. There's another piece, look. Incidentally, there's a pipe going underground there, so I had to break up the bamboo barrier, and that there is one of these tubs with the top cut off. It's doing exactly the same job. It's holding the bamboo back, and they will meet in the middle and get dense and form a nice partition. Anyway, let's get back to this here. Look, a new one there, and down here, really quite a thick one in the midst of this dense patch here. Look at that there. You can see it coming out there. Look how thick that is, and that is that papery sheath that I talked about there, and that's covering up other branches that the leaves will emerge from behind. So now let's go and have a look on the other side of this bamboo hedge. Look at them. They are like giant asparagus spurs. I hope my asparagus that I've just planted does as well as this. Look, down here, look. There's the barrier. This is a brand new bamboo stick, if you like. I don't know what the name is, but There we are, look, and there's that papery sheet, and it's right close up to there. And all the way along you can see new ones are starting to pop up. So yes, the bamboo barrier is necessary, it does work. And I will post a link to the bamboo barrier underneath this video in the description box, just in case you're interested in buying some. And I do get a commission. Here's that first one I showed you, right there, look. Look at that there, fascinating. I'm both excited and alarmed by the growth rate of this bamboo. Wonderful stuff, and it's going to form a wonderful hedge between the Mediterranean scented border here and the social area beyond. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you found it informative and useful. And if you have, please do hit the like button and share and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. And I'll see you soon for some more bamboo hedge adventures. Look at that.